In this video, I will show you how to add a gradient color to text in Canva so your designs look more professional and eye-catching. So here we are on Canva. As you can see, I've currently just got this blank template loaded through. Now, the easiest way to do this, there is actually an app you can use to do this. So if you come over to the menu on the left-hand side and towards the bottom, you want to click onto apps. What you can then do is use the search box, and in here you want to type gradient like this, give that a search, and what you want to do is click onto the top result. Now what you can do from here is click the purple open button, and that's going to open up the toolbar to start doing your gradient. So you can see we've got this preview window at the top, and the two kind of circles, if you actually move them, you can change the gradient like this. If you scroll down a bit, you can add your text here. So whatever you want to add, you would put it into here. Once you've done that, you can also choose a font from the font list just down here, and you can also add an outline effect if you want to. Now coming up, if you want to actually change the color of the gradient, you can see we've got this gradient bar underneath the preview window. So what you would do is click onto each circle to add a different color. For example, instead of this light blue, I want this color to be red. So I'm going to come to the light blue section, click onto the small circle, and then you can see we've got the selected color. Click onto the selected color. What you can then do is use the color wheel here, and you can choose your new color from here. So I'm going to go for this red color here and then click off to apply. You can see all your changes as mentioned in the preview window here, and you can use the bar to change the style of gradient. So I actually want this to go from red to orange to yellow. So what I'm going to do is have the gradient start here, and for the middle section, I'm going to click the dot, click onto selected color, and change this to a nice orangey color. And then what I'm going to do is click onto the final dot over here on the right hand side and change this to a yellow color. This is what it looks like, as you can see. What you can also do is change the gradient type. So you can see it's set to linear, but we can go for a more kind of radial gradient. We can go for a cone or mesh gradient. It's completely up to you. And as mentioned, you can just go through and change your different fonts and add an outline if you want to, all in this section here. So once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is click the Add to Design button, and what it's going to do is add this directly onto your template. From here, you can resize the text using the corners, so you just hold down your left mouse button and drag to increase the size, and that's how to add a gradient color to text in Canva. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.